What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be telling you 7 tips for, whoa, what is it? In this video, I'm gonna be talking about 7 tips that's gonna help you lose weight, and they actually work. So let's get started. For those who don't know, I've been a certified personal trainer since 2013. I love helping people. Right now, I am currently accepting online clients. So if you are in need of a trainer, I do custom workouts, custom meal plans. I'm gonna be up your butt about everything. I'm going to help you reach your goals. If you're interested, email me at FITBYJENNIFER@gmail.com and we'll get started. Okay, my 7 tips to losing weight are actually pretty simple. So let me pull this up. What is that? Okay, sorry. First tip to helping you lose weight is sleep. So you better be getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. I myself nap every day too, sometimes, because nap is life. Tip number 2, hydrate. So drinking 8 ounces of water a day should be your minimum intake every single day. Challenge yourself, drink a gallon a day. See how many times you pee. A lot. Tip number 3, intuitive eating. Eat when you are hungry. Don't think you have to eat 8 meals a day, small meals. That I don't even eat that. Eat foods that are healthy too. I always suggest eating whole foods, eggs, chicken, vegetables, fruits, nuts, nut butters. Just eat whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean meats if you eat meats. Tomatoes, just eat tomatoes. That's all you need in life are tomatoes. Okay, I'll stop talking about tomatoes. Just listen to your body and eat when you are hungry. And eat good foods. Tip number 4, snack smart. So if you are eating throughout the day, you eat a meal and a few hours later go by and you're still hungry, I always suggest clients eating fruits as snacks. My number 1 fruit for snacks are oranges. So eat an orange. If you're still hungry, eat another orange. Just pack those oranges in your bags. They fill you up, they're delicious, they're good for you. Just eat an orange if you're hungry during the day. You'll see what I'm talking about. Tip number 5, daily steps. So I always suggest to get 12,000 to 15,000 steps a day. I don't like the 10K, 10,000 steps a day. No, that's nothing. That is nothing. So if you take over 15,000 steps a day, you're actually burning over 500 calories. That's a lot. That's a lot of tomatoes you can eat. So I usually use my Apple Watch to count my steps, but you can also get a Fitbit to help count your steps. But it's fun because it's always like it's a challenge every day for me personally. I always want to try to hit 12K or 15K every single day, but I don't know. I like walking now, you know? Okay. Tip number 6, late night snacking. So I always suggest if you are hungry at night, try to find something. It probably means you're just bored. Try to find something to do, like going for a walk, reading a book, taking a bath, even cleaning your home. But if you are still hungry, try to reach for a high protein snack like Greek yogurt topped with fresh fruit, or even a protein shake. So you could curb those cravings, you know? Okay. And tip number 7, listen to your body. Eat when you are hungry, rest when you are tired, relax when you're stressed. Just listen to your body and you'll be good. I hope those are great tips for anyone who's starting off with their weight loss journey. These are just simple tips that I created, nothing too crazy. I go by these tips. They're just easy, just little goals that I make throughout the day, just for keeping on track with my weight loss. So I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and tune in for next time. Peace. Hope you guys liked that video. Email me at FITBYJENNIFER@gmail.com and tell me what your struggles are when it comes to weight loss. And when you do, I will send you a free PDF of my 7-tip guide. including example meal plan and a food list you can shop by. Okay, bye. Okay, bye now. Okay, bye.